Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive right into creating a Notion checklist for moving house. A checklist for moving house is important to stay organized and ensure nothing is forgotten during the stressful process of moving. First up, we start by creating a new page in Notion. This is where we'll build our checklist. You simply click on the plus new page button on the left sidebar. Then you can name your new page Moving House Checklist. The reason we do this is to keep our moving task organized in one place. Now that we've done that, let's start adding tasks. Click on the body of your page and then choose the to-do list block under the basic blocks options. This helps us because it allows us to create individual tasks that we can check off as we complete them. Next, you'll want to start inputting all the tasks you need to complete before, during, and after your move. Think about packing, updating your address, setting up utilities at your new place, and so on. Let me explain why this matters. Having a detailed task list ensures that nothing slips through the cracks during your move. Let's add some structure to our list. We can use the toggle list block to create different categories for our tasks. For example, you might have categories for 1 month before move, 1 week before move, day of move, and post-move tasks. This helps us because it allows us to break down a huge task, moving house, into manageable chunks. Now that we've got our tasks and categories set up, you might want to add due dates to your tasks. To do this, click on a task and then choose Properties and Due Date. Adding due dates can help you stay on track and prioritize your tasks. Finally, you can also assign tasks to different family members or friends who are helping you move. Just click on a task, then choose Properties and Assign. This is great for delegating tasks and making sure everyone knows what they're responsible for. And there you have it. You've just created a practical, organized Notion checklist for moving house, ready to guide you through the chaos of moving. You're all set to keep everything in check for your big move. Thanks for tuning in.